Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to secure your Samsung from malware in images, block unofficial updates, and prevent USB threats step by step. So first things first, never open image files from unknown links, Telegram, or random browsers. Use Google Play Protect. Open the Play Store. Tap your profile in the top right. Go to Play Protect and tap Scan to check your phone for threats. This will help detect any risky images or files trying to harm your phone. Now let's stop your phone from installing unofficial system updates. Here's how. Go to Settings, scroll down and find this option called About Phone. Again scroll down and go to Software Information and tap Build Number 7 times to unlock developer options, which I have already done. Once you unlock your developer options, you will see this option right below About Phone. Now go to Developer Options, scroll down and make sure OEM unlocking is turned off. This will prevent unauthorized software from being flashed onto your phone. Now to protect your phone from threats when connected to a computer, in Developer Options, scroll down and make sure USB debugging is off. Always use charging only mode when plugging into unknown USB ports like in airports or public places. Also avoid modded APKs or apps from websites. Regularly check app permissions to remove access from apps you don't trust. And keep your phone updated from software update option under settings only. And that's how to lock down your Samsung and keep your data safe from hidden threats. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and drop any queries in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.